This is a 2014 Dodge Journey. This crossover has an automatic transmission and a 6-cylinder engine. Its top features include speed-sensitive volume controls, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: the Uconnect infotainment system, XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, a 6-speaker audio system, 12-volt power outlets, front and rear floor mats, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning, and this vehicle has less than 17,000 miles. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.